Hey y'all, I'm at it again. This time I'm making my last of 3 Allman Brothers 3-chord whiskey bottles. There were only 2,000 of these made, and so it's a limited run, and I have 3. I've sold the first 2 and I'm giving this one away. There's gonna be a contest. I'm gonna show you all that I'm making it, and this is a special one. It's gonna be different from the other 2. Hope you like it. Make sure you like and subscribe, follow for the contest, to see what's going on with Hangin with the Hunns. See the sweat dripping off my nose. This hat doesn't help.
Sunny days, Lord, and starry nights, country roads and old city lights. Gotta keep on traveling.
Hey y'all, you made it this far in the video. Congrats. Go over to our page, Hangin with the Hunns YouTube channel. Like and subscribe to follow the contest. If you want to know what you have to do to win this awesome lamp, if you're an Allman Brothers fan, you're going to want this. There's only 2,000 bottles of this whiskey made, and I made 3 lamps. As far as I know, and as far as you know, there are 3 Allman Brothers 3-chord whiskey bourbon lamps in existence. 2 have already found their forever homes. This one can be yours. Yay. If you want to win this lamp, it's very easy. We need a name for our podcast studio, the Hangin with the Hunns studio. This right here. Lovely studio.
Top it up, way. You know I'm carrying a heavy load. Sunny baby, my settle down. Before right now,
You're going to have fun with this one. Whoever names it and the name that we pick in August, the end of August, we will announce the winner, and I will send you this lamp free of charge if you're in the United States. If we love your name for our studio, it's very easy. So y'all go to the channel, name the studio, win this lamp. It's that easy. Thank you guys. Leave your awesome name for our studio in the comments below, and we will choose a winner and let you know. All right. Good luck. May the best name win. Oh, and one other thing. If you don't like it like this, with this Edison bulb, which I love, but if you want a more traditional, like a shade lamp with a fancy LED light changing bulb in there, just let me know. If we choose you as the winner, either way, I'll send you this bulb anyway. I mean, if you want them both, that's fine. I'm generous. I just want you to be happy. I want you to love your lamp. Your Allman Brothers 3-of-a-kind, 1-of-a-kind lamp. Thanks for watching. Good luck.